guys, so we just got off of Rise of the Resistance. I'm just gonna say right now it was good. We're gonna go head back to the house and we're gonna give you guys a full breakdown of what we thought about everything, and we're exhausted.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa.
It is 6:20 on December 8th, and we are going to try and go to Hollywood Studios and get on Rise of the Resistance today. So yeah, let's see how this goes.
We finally made it into the park. It's what, 7:30?
7:35.
We made it into boarding group 52, so we'll see how long that takes to get to that point.
Yeah, they're currently boarding 1 through 4. So,
I mean, the crowd wasn't that bad waiting, but
no, but there's a lot of things that it just doesn't make sense why they do it. But, you know, hopefully you get to ride it and it'll be fun.
yeah. Well, they opened the park already, so we are going to go on a quest to find some breakfast. Alright guys, so update, it is now 8 o'clock and boarding groups are done.
Yeah, we saw the sign at like 7:47, so it didn't even make it to park opening. Nice.
So if you did not get here before park opened, you did not get a boarding pass. But we are boarding party 52, like I said before, so we'll see if we even get to ride today. They're on like, I think group 9. So we're gonna go get breakfast at Woody's Lunchbox. So we've never had breakfast at Woody's Lunchbox.
No, we've had lunch, snacks, but never had breakfast.
So we'll tell you if we enjoyed our breakfast this morning. All right, so it's 8:20 and they're at boarding group 13. So we still got a long way to go.
You're wearing hats or glasses. You best remove them. Oh wait, wrong ride. He's laughing at me. But he did remove his hat, guys. Keep that in mind.
Alright guys, so we just got off Rock and Roller Coaster. It is now 9:28 and they are still on boarding group 13. So it's been an hour.
Yep.
I'm guessing it went down, but I have to be honest, people were coming out of Galaxy's Edge while we were sitting out in front of Woody's Lunchbox. So I'm not really sure what's going on back there, but they're not moving forward with Rise of the Resistance. And we're boarding group 52.
Looks like we'll be sometime in the afternoon.
If not tonight.
At least you guys have a good idea in the future when to come and stay.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if we knew an idea of when it was going to come up, because we could go to Epcot or something, or Magic Kingdom and do some things. There's not that much to do at Hollywood Studios. We've already rode everything except for Tower of Terror and Star Tours.
Alright guys, so it is now 10:12 and we have finally progressed to boarding group 14. 2 hours.
2 hours.
So we have a fast pass for Beauty and the Beast in about 15 minutes. So we're gonna go check out that show. And then we have a fast pass for Indiana Jones. And then after that, I don't know what we're gonna do if it doesn't start moving along. So just make sure you have something to do. This is boring.
Yep.
Alright guys, so update, it is 11:30. Never mind. 11:35. And we are at the Indiana Jones show. We just finished the Beauty and the Beast live show. And the queue for Rise of the Resistance is now 14 to 20. So it, like, something happened during Beauty and the Beast and it's moving again, so.
Yay!
Yay! So anyways, so let's see how much time we can blow at this show. Alright guys, so we just finished the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular. It is now 12:34 and we are at 14 to 31. So we are getting closer.
Yeah.
Getting excited. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna go probably find some lunch now and maybe find some more fast passes because we've used all our fast passes before 12. We've pretty much done everything, so including the shows. But let's go see what we can do now. Alright, so we just grabbed a bite to eat over at the Backlot Express. It is 1:19 and we are at boarding group
15 to 38.
15 to 38. So we've been in the park now, what, like 6.5 hours? So yeah, 6.5 hours we've been in the park. We've done majority of the shows, majority of the attractions. Next up on our list of things that we're doing is Star Tours. So yeah. And then I guess we'll find another fast pass if we have to. A lot of hanging out today. A lot of hanging out. So let's go get on some Star Tours. Alright guys, so it is 2 o'clock and we are finally getting a little closer. We are at boarding group 43. So hopefully not much longer and we can ride. What's your guess as to what time?
Probably around 3:30.
I think it's gonna be 4 or 5. Let's see. Update 2,477. It is 3 o'clock now and we are at boarding groups 28 to 46. So we got 6 more.
Yeah. long day.
But on the
Hollywood
bright,
Studios is really only a half-day park, so this is kind of difficult to figure out what to do here.
but on the bright side, we have a fast pass for Slinky Dog at 3:30. So maybe that'll blow some time if this doesn't pick up soon. Alright guys, so it's 3:25 and we are finally up to number 50 and we are in group 52. So, we're gonna go find out about the DAS and how it works because there's a lot of like mixed information. So I'm gonna give it to you straight and figure it out. I don't know if we're gonna use it because I have some specific questions and I will talk about that once I get them answered. So soon, guys, very soon.
Very soon.
Let's hope. Alright guys, it's 3:41 and our pass was just called, so we're gonna go get in line, and after this is all said and done, I will update you guys on the route that we took and why we took it. So let's go do this and join the resistance.
Guys, so we just got off of Rise of the Resistance. I'm just gonna say right now it was good. We're gonna go head back to the house and we're gonna give you guys a full breakdown of what we thought about everything, and we're exhausted. It's
Exhausted.
How many hours did we wait?
We've been here since
7 a.m. at least.
like 6:40, and now it's 4:15. By the time we get out of the park, it'll be about 5.
Yeah.
It has been a long day.
So
It's a really good ride though.
so we're gonna go back to the house and we'll give you guys a full breakdown of everything we thought. So let's go.